This grammar video is going to be about clauses and complex sentences. Let's talk about clauses. A clause is a group of words that has both a subject and a verb. Now there are two types of clauses, dependent clauses and independent clauses. Independent clauses are also known as main clauses. In this video, we're going to be referring to independent clauses as main clauses. Now, let's look at some differences between main clauses and dependent clauses. A main clause can stand alone as a sentence. A dependent clause cannot stand alone as a sentence, and it must be used with a main clause. Dependent clauses that show cause begin with words like because, since, or when. Now that we've talked about clauses, let's talk about what a complex sentence is. A complex sentence has both a main clause and at least one dependent clause. Now remember, there can be more than one dependent clause in a complex sentence. Okay, let's take a look at some examples of some complex sentences. In the first example, he was very tired because he worked for 14 hours with no break. He was very tired could be a complete sentence. Therefore, it's a main clause. Because he worked for 14 hours with no break, this cannot be a complete sentence. So therefore, this is the dependent clause. Next complex sentence. Since I have no money, I won't be able to go on the trip. Since I have no money, well, that's not a complete sentence. It can't stand alone. It's our dependent clause. I won't be able to go on the trip. This can stand alone. Therefore, it's our main clause. Also, look at the words because and since. They show you that these are the dependent clauses as well. Okay, let's do a little practice to see if you've been paying attention. In this first exercise, you're going to be doing true or false. This is just based on clauses and complex sentences. Take no more than a minute to complete this exercise. Press pause and then press play when you are ready to see the answers. Here are the answers. Pretty easy, right? Okay, next exercise. In this exercise, you're just going to identify the dependent clauses. This shouldn't take very long. Just pause the video, complete the exercise, and then press play when you're ready to continue. All right, here are the answers for exercise 2. That was pretty easy as well, right? Okay, in this exercise, I want you to combine the sentences with words in parentheses. So here. Make sure you add a comma where it's necessary. So pause the video and then press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, here are the answers for exercise 3. Okay, let's complete some more practice. Go to your book and turn to page 166 and start with activity A. In activity A, I just want you to underline the dependent clauses. Take about a minute or so. Make sure you pause the video and then press play when you're ready to continue to see the answers. All right, here are the answers for activity A on page 166. Okay, now that you completed exercise A, Go to Activity B. In Activity B, I want you to combine the sentences with the words in the parentheses, just like in the practice we did, and add a comma where necessary. Go ahead and pause the video. Take about 3 to 5 minutes, and then press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, here are the answers for Activity B on page 166. For additional practice, make sure you log on to LMS online so you can practice complex sentences. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time.